Hello, algebra students. This is Ms. Shinners. I'm here to help you set up and create a scatter plot and a line of best fit for your Olympic data project. So to start, if you'd like to do this electronically, you're going to go to your Google Drive and open up a new Google Sheets. And once it pops open, you can title it whatever you would like. Maybe the event that you're analyzing. Mine's just an example, so I'll just title mine that. Then you need to input your data into the spreadsheet here. So your first column should be the year, and your second column should be time. And I'm just making up an event here, but you should use whatever time, if it's measured in seconds or minutes, that you are studying. So we're starting with the year 1980, and it's every 4 years. So I'm just going to do a couple data points here, but you should go up until the latest year that they have data for. So I'm going to make my text a little bit bigger, and I'm just going to make up some random times in seconds, and that should be good. I'll make this one 63. Okay, so I've got my data put in, and now I need to create a scatter plot and a line of best fit. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert. First, I need to select my data. Then I'm going to click Insert Chart. And you'll see it actually creates a graph for you, but this is not the type of graph we want. We want you to make a scatter plot. So you're going to need to click on Chart Type and scroll down to Scatter. And you'll see then it makes it into a scatter plot. And you want to make sure your year is on your x-axis and your time, whatever it's measured in seconds or minutes, is on your y-axis. And now that we've got a scatter plot, we need to figure out how to make a line of best fit. So to do that, you want to go over to Customize, and you'll see they have a couple different sections here. The first is chart style. So this would be where you can change the font. You can change the background color if you want. And in the next section, it's chart and axis titles. So if you wanted to change the title or anything like that, you can do that. I would probably title it whatever the event is. So let's pretend this was the 100-meter race. Maybe you would title it that. And again, you can change your fonts or anything like that. The most important section that we're going to talk about is the series. So if you click on that, you'll see a couple different options, and you want to click Trend Line. Oops, I didn't click it. There you go. Trend Line. And you'll see what happened there was it put in the line of best fit for you. So that's very helpful because it calculated it for you. And I'm going to make my line a little bit thicker so I can see it. And you can change any of these things as well. The one thing you definitely want to click is to label using the equation, because there it gives you the equation for your line of best fit. So it leaves off the y equals, but you can imagine that. You can put that in when you're typing this up and whatnot. But this is your line of best fit, right? So it's y equals 0.825x plus negative 1,581. So my slope is 0.825, and my y-intercept is negative 1,581. So it quickly calculates the line of best fit for you. So now that you've got all this information, you can take this and print it, or you can take, copy and paste it into a Google Doc or a Google presentation. But this way it quickly calculates it for you, and it looks very professional and nice, so that when you're analyzing it, it should be very easy for you to look at. So hopefully this was helpful, and I wish you the best of luck on your projects.